paint it, make sure you do a bunch of coats. I already did one coat. How many coats do you have to do it, Mom?
Maybe 2 coats. And you chose a pumpkin without a stem, right?
Yeah, because it has a horn. See? Gonna screw in the horn. There we go. Perfect. Make sure it's dry, then you can put on the beautiful stickers. Here. Oh, I just love the color blue. Perfect. What a beautiful pumpkin. So let me show you all around. Here's the front, and then there's the side, there's the back, and there's the other side. Then back to the front.